name is Nicole. I'm the creator and founder of Silky, a luxury hair care company, and I'm here today to do a review on a new product that has just come out from a fellow YouTuber, and that is Miss Jessie M. Simmons' new everyday wig spray. Jessie was kind enough to send me some wig spray to try out, so I wanted to go ahead and do a review here for all my silky chicks in my wig slam bays. So go ahead and give me that thumbs up so that the platform will know that this is some good content. I promise you won't be disappointed, and without further ado, let's go right ahead and get into this review. So like I was saying earlier, Jessie M. Simmons is a fellow YouTuber. She does wig reviews. She also does a lot of teaching and a lot of information about wigs, how to wear them, how to take care of them. So the link to her channel, of course, will be down below in the description box, as well as the link to her website and the products. These products just came out recently, so I'm really excited. Now, the everyday wig spray comes in two forms. It comes either scented or unscented, which I really like the fact that it comes scented or unscented, because a lot of us have allergies and allergens, and so we can't necessarily rock a lot of stuff that is scented, especially around our faces or in our hair. So it's nice that she has the option for those of you who like scented and those of you who don't. I sprayed my hair with this one maybe last week to do some videos that was coming out. I wanted to just try it, and I have to be honest, the scent is still there, but it's really, really light. It's not strong, it's not overpowering, so I really, really do like that. I also liked how it came. I am a sucker for pink packaging. It came in a nice pink envelope with her logo on it as well, and then I got the two bottles. Each one is 5 ounces, and then it came with this really cute brush, and I love the brush because it has the bristles that will really stretch and move. So this kind of brush is really good for curls, and then of course a thank you card. Everything was nicely branded. Loved all that. What I really also loved is how well the spray itself was packaged. It had this nice plastic wrapping around it, which is really nice for those of you who may be ordering stuff and it's going a long distance. That's really nice, so you don't have to worry about not getting your product or your product spilling inside of the packaging, because it was nicely wrapped and nicely sealed. So I really, really enjoyed that. Now, I went in and decided to use the scented one first, and I was recording some videos for the week, so I decided to go in with this particular wig that I'm wearing today. I went ahead and detangled it with the everyday wig spray. So I went in, I sprayed the whole wig around while I was on my wig head, and then I just went in and started brushing the wig out. Now, this wig gets really, really tangled, especially at the ends, because it is a super long synthetic wig. So I really wanted to test out how well this everyday spray worked as far as like detangling on synthetic wigs. And so I went in and I started brushing it, but I realized quickly, because of the flexibility of the brush, it was coming through, but I was having a harder time detangling. I felt like the brush was kind of like moving and needed a little bit of support. And so I found that because the brush was moving, I just needed to support the hair a little bit more. So what I did is I grabbed the hair by the hand where it was really tangled at, and then brushed it out. And I found that that worked really, really well in helping it to get detangled. So if you are detangling on a straighter wig, I just recommend that you grab the hair where the knots are, where you're trying to detangle it at the bottom, and brush it that way to give it a little bit more support and to allow the bristles to really get in there and brush it out. And then once I did that, it brushed out beautifully. I went around and brushed out the entire wig. So here's some footage of the wig before I brushed it and the wig after I brushed it. As you can see, it nicely detangled the wig, and the wig looked beautiful. Not a lot of shine or anything like that to it, because sometimes with synthetic wigs, shine or putting silicone and sometimes different products can give it a little bit of a shiny. I don't necessarily like that because I think it makes it look a little wiggy. So I really like that the product did that very well. And then I even brushed my hair with this brush before and sprayed my hair before filming this video. And as you can see, it looks very nice, I must say, and it came together well. So I recorded the 2 videos. It came out nicely, put the wig back on the wig head, and went about my business. Of course, the wig was easier again today to detangle, but because of the style of the brush, like I was saying, how it moves with the curls and stretches, I just thought, let me detangle a curly synthetic wig with this product, because if you know anything about synthetic wigs, curly synthetic wigs can be a nightmare, you guys. Curly synthetic wigs tangle up so quickly, they get matted so easily, and I thought if I can use this to detangle on a curly wig, baby, then we are in business. So I got down my SHEIN headband wig and I decided, let me go ahead and put that on my mannequin head and go ahead and spray and try to detangle that one. If you would like more information on this wig, the link to the review is going to be down in the description box. So I went in again with my everyday wig spray that is unscented. I went in and I sprayed the wig, and you guys, I will put some footage of me brushing the wig and the before and the after, and as you can see, the wig turned out really nice. This brush did an amazing job on that synthetic wig, helping it get detangled. Spray helped as well, so you can see compared to the other side the difference that the spray and the brush made on that particular wig. So this product is very nice. I think really what shines too is the brush. The spray is awesome. Again, there's no parabens, no sulfates, so that's really nice. It's hypoallergenic. It comes in, again, the two forms, and you can purchase these on Jessie's website, or you can go to her YouTube channel down at the bottom. There is a shelf, and you are also looking for something to help you with detangling your curly synthetic wigs. I feel like this is super, super good for that. It really, really shined, in my opinion, with that synthetic curly wig. So that is my review. Again, all the links to everything I talked about in this video are going to be down in the description box. If you like the video, again, please thumbs up. And if you are watching Jessie, great job on your product. Again, thank you so much for sending out the product. We appreciate you. And if you enjoy this video, I have reviewed other wig products, so I'm going to go ahead and put that playlist down there as well so you can check it out. If you haven't already, please consider go ahead and hitting that subscribe button, then hitting the bell so that you'll never miss a review over here. And if you're watching on Facebook, hey boos, you know I love you over on the Facebook too. As always, I want to say thank you so much for watching. Remember, better care is better wear, and I hope to see you in the next one.